Today we are at the Chicago Area Research Institute project. This is a 35,000 square foot renovation to the old Big Ten headquarters located in Park Ridge, Illinois. This project consists of demolition, structural improvements, tenant build-out, and minor site work. The most interesting and challenging part of this project was the installation of a new CMU elevator shaft and an elevator within the existing footprint. As part of the scope, the owner wanted to add a passenger elevator at the north elevation of the building. In order to install the new shaft and elevator, the team first needed to carefully lay out the shaft on the lower level, first floor, second floor, and roof slabs. Before any excavation could start, the plumber first needed to relocate a 40-year-old triple basin that was located directly where the elevator pit was to be installed. While relocating the triple basin, it was discovered that the contractor who originally installed it 40 years ago poured concrete around the structure, making it very difficult to relocate in such tight quarters without the use of heavy equipment. Once the triple basin was relocated and Leopardo laid out the shaft, the foundation needed to be excavated in the lower level and poured to support the new shaft walls. In order to do this, the footings had to be hand dug because of the existing 7-foot ceiling height. Because the building consisted of a precast slab on the first floor and steel joists supporting the second floor and roof deck, the structure needed to be temporarily shored. A shoring contractor designed the shoring, which had to be installed to support each floor down to the lower level slab on grade in order to distribute the load to the lowest level. Once the shoring was designed and installed, the existing steel joists needed to be reworked in order to make room for the new CMU shaft. The Leopardo demo team cut the steel joists overhead on the first and second floors, cut and removed the precast floor slab on the first floor, removed the concrete slab on metal deck on the second floor, and opened up the roof deck. While the demo team was working from the bottom of the building up, the mason was building the new CMU shaft. Once the roof was opened up, the mason was able to complete the shaft up through the roof and complete the new elevator overrun so that the building was not open to the outside elements for more than a day. The steel erector installed the hoist beam and metal deck at the top of the shaft, and the roofing contractor was able to come in and install the new roofing membrane, which had to be compatible with the existing bituminous built-up roofing system. Another challenge that we encountered was dealing with the existing conditions at the north elevation where the new elevator cab door needed to be installed. The new elevator was designed so that there was a door on both the north and south sides of the cab. A guest can enter the elevator on the ground level from the north side and exit through to the first and second floors on the south side of the cab. The north entrance to the cab needed to be coordinated with the north elevation of the building. As you can see in the photos, portions of the masonry and concrete at the north elevation needed to be chipped out and reworked in order to be structurally sound. In order to do this, Leopardo worked closely with a structural engineer to ensure the north elevation could be supported to accept the new door opening while not compromising the aesthetics of the existing building facade. As you can see, the CMU shaft is now weather tight and the cab is in production, ready to be installed later in the month. Once complete, Leopardo will complete the drywall, complete the finish paint, and we'll be turning the project over to the owner on September 18, 2015.
Leopardo, a passion to build.